Hello there everyone, this is Brother Birch. In this video I will be introducing assignment 3.2. Okay, so it says traversing a string or any other type of array for that matter is a common programming task. This assignment is the first part in a two-part series, the other is 3.5, where we will learn different techniques for visiting every member of a string. Your assignment is to write the function count letters, then a driver program to test it. So count letters will return the number of letters in a string. This involves traversing the string using the array notation with an index as we have been doing all semester. Okay, so all of our arrays that we've been doing, you have something like, let me pull up this example. That looks like an array, all right? But it's a string, and we're able to traverse a string very similarly to how we can traverse an array. Okay, we will rewrite this function in assignment 3.5 to do the same thing using a pointer. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that at the moment. So right now, we're going to traverse a string using array notation, same as we've been doing all semester. Main will be our driver program that prompts the user for a line of input using getLine, calls count letters, and displays the number of letters. Note that since the first C input will leave the stream pointer on the new line character, you will need to use cinput.ignore before getLine. Okay, that's a really good tip. Take the first example below. The input buffer will look like that. All right. If the program inputs a character followed by a line, the code will look like this. Okay, so that we can get all those different values. After the C input, the input pointer will point to the Z. When the getLine statement gets executed next, it will accept. Okay, so this is what our examples look like. Okay, enter letter Z, enter text here, and then number of Z's and so forth. Okay, so it didn't recognize that there are any Z's because this one's capital, that one's lowercase. Okay, if you didn't know, C++ is a case-sensitive language. All right, enter letter A. How many are there? There's an A there and another one there, and so there's two of them. Okay, so we're going to traverse these strings regardless of how big they are and see how many of a specific character is found in that string. Okay, there's a test bed for this, so I recommend that you do that. Again, I already pointed you towards this example, but this is a really good example that has a fair chunk of the amount of work that you'll have to do for this assignment in it. So I recommend that you look at that as you get started with this. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video helps in getting you started on this assignment. If you have any questions, just let me know.